In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect iPad to TV with Google Chromecast. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to stream from your iPad to a TV using your Chromecast. So to get this connection started, first you will have to set up the Chromecast on the TV itself. So plug the Chromecast into the HDMI port of the TV, and if needed, plug the Chromecast into a power outlet. So one cable here is going to give it power, if you notice that it has an additional input, and then the HDMI cable will go into the TV. So choose any of the available HDMI ports on the TV itself. With this done, now you have to set up the iPad. Most apps like YouTube, Hulu, Netflix will give you the option to directly cast to the Chromecast by tapping this button here. It will usually have some lines like this allowing you to cast directly. However, if you would like to cast videos that are stored on your iPad storage, you would like to share a photo or just share your whole screen, you will need an application. The app that I recommend is DoCast. So open the App Store and look for DoCast, screen mirroring to TV. As you can see, this allows you to stream anything that is on your iPad's screen. You can stream music, photos, videos, and it will be sent over to any smart TV that you have that supports the Chromecast. So when you open DoCast, you should be able to find your Chromecast listed here. If you don't see your Chromecast, make sure that it was configured properly, so plugged into a wall outlet alongside being plugged into the TV. It should automatically appear on this list once it is able to be detected by the iPad. So you just choose the Chromecast and then you select what you want to share. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect iPad to TV with Google Chromecast. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.